If you are tired of the 9 to 5 rat race and want to start your entrepreneurial journey, or if you have already started your journey but your business has hit a plateau or a glass income ceiling, then this is the most important video you'll watch. In this video, I am going to give you full clarity of the journey that's ahead of you. Listen, first of all, we all are in pursuit of happiness. In other words, we all want to be, do, or have something. Whether you are trying to change your personal life or you want to help your clients and create a huge impact in the world while creating a great living, you need the right knowledge. So I have created two tracks. One is for personal growth and the other one is for business. And for true transformation, they both go hand in hand. This video is about business transformation. Now, first of all, to create a freedom lifestyle business, you need the following 6 components. First, you need to have a magic bullet, something you are passionate about, and you have to know your purpose and your gift. And then you can create the right strategy to create a lucrative business around it. Finally, you must have the right mindset. Secondly, you have to create a system, a product or service that has a demand in the market. You'll have to spend time on the market validation as well. Then you have to have a process, a system to deliver your product or your service. You'll also need a steady flow of clients. In other words, a pipeline, so you can work on your business instead of getting stuck in it. This will lead to your profits. The third aspect is you must have a great marketing plan. Get clarity about your clients, who they are, what they are struggling with, their problem, and the solution you have for them. Next, you must have a medium to attract them. And you also need to get their attention and keep them engaged. For this, your positioning is very important. You have to become an expert. And most important part is that you have to be authentic, so you can create the know, like, and trust factor. The fourth component is we are action-oriented society. We believe that action creates results. And this is where most people screw up. Our life can be a dance or a struggle between action, desire, and fear. The fifth facet is growth. And we keep on working on the business, the mindset, or ourselves. We stay stuck here. We keep on following the fake experts instead of listening to our own spirit. You see, the lack of true knowledge is the root cause of all the problem. It's all about shifting your consciousness, staying in the state of flow, and working with this energy. And the final and the sixth aspect is the world is changing very rapidly. You already know that everything is created of energy. We live in a field of energy like fish lives in water. Everything begins and ends in this energy. You see, the space around us is not empty. It is full of energy. We already use the technology. Have you ever wondered how the email reaches on the other side of the world? Instantly, from your cell phone, without any wires. You see, we use this energy all the time. So far, we have been trying to create with our mind, what I call the energy of human intent. But 95% of people are still not able to reach their true potential. So, if we want to stop the struggle, we have to shift our consciousness. You see, we are in an age of quantum science and nanotechnology. But when it comes to personal growth, we are still stuck in a 3 centuries old Newtonian science. It's time to create a shift in our consciousness and understand how to use the power of our spirit. If this makes sense to you, if this resonates with you, and you are ready to make a lasting change in your life right now, then hop on a call with us. Don't make the universe wait for you. Go ahead, make an appointment, and someone from my team will contact you. This call is not going to be a sales call. We will see where you are, where you want to go, what you are doing about it, whether it is working or not working. We'll make some suggestions so you'll get great value and insights out of this call. There is no commitment and absolutely free of cost. Listen, what you are waiting for is waiting for you. Let me get you on the path of least resistance and help you dial in. This is all about creating and transmitting energy and being in the state of flow. This is where I shine. This is the area of my expertise. Go ahead, make that call right now. Thank you for your time. Namaste.